Hey everyone, the Berlin electric bike by MOD is a multi-purpose e-bike meant for off-road excursions as well as commuting. With its remarkable range and adaptable features, the MOD Berlin is a standout choice for a variety of riders. Range and battery. Thanks to its dual battery configuration, the MOD Berlin boasts an impressive range of up to 90 miles, or 145 kilometers. It is perfect for longer journeys as well as city commuting because of its large range, which guarantees that riders may travel great distances without worrying about constantly recharging. Motor and speed. The MOD Berlin has a torque sensor and a 750-watt hub motor that allow it to reach a top speed of 45 kilometers per hour. This strong motor gives you the extra push you need to get around town quickly and navigate difficult terrain. Comfort and safety. The large saddle of the bike contributes to increased comfort on extended journeys. Hydraulic disc brakes put safety first by providing dependable stopping force in all circumstances. Display and riding modes. Riders can adjust settings using the dashboard of the S3 color display, which provides real-time ride information. The MOD Berlin has 5 riding modes: Eco, Boost, Turbo, Cargo, and Fit. These modes are developed to accommodate various riding situations, including cruising at a leisurely pace, riding on tough terrain, and everyday commuting. Personalization. The MOD Berlin allows riders to customize their bikes to fit their needs because it is compatible with Snap-on accessories. It is simple to add accessories like a trunk bag, bench seat, or basket. The bike and the Lumos Ultra Smart Helmet are both compatible. By coordinating with the bike's turn signals and brake lights through the handlebars, this helmet improves visibility and safety for riders. All 3 are included in one package with the MOD Berlin electric bike. Performance, safety, and customization. The MOD Berlin offers a flexible and pleasurable riding experience, whether you're an adventure seeker in search of a sturdy off-road buddy or a daily commuter looking for a dependable and comfortable ride. At a starting price of $2,499, the MOD Berlin electric bike is available for pre-order. For purchases placed before July 30, MOD is now providing a special price of $300, making it a desirable choice for early adopters. The MOD Berlin is priced starting at $2,499, and pre-orders are already being received by the business. In addition, MOD is providing a $300 discount through July 30. The cost of the smart helmet is $119. Snap-on attachments range in price from $24 to $189. For those looking for a premium, adaptable electric bike, the MOD Berlin's price structure, along with the present discount and the availability of customized accessories, make it a competitive and tempting option. Thanks for watching, I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day and God bless you.